आज आज है हमारे पास स्ट्राइकर का एंडोस्कोपी insuflator. This is 20-liter high flow insuflator. This is the old model of Stryker endoscopy, and this is only the carbon dioxide based insuflator. This is the output of the insuflator. There are the control functions of the insuflator. There are some 7 segment displays are available on the front screen of this insuflator. There are some operational buttons. There is the power on and off button. There is the start and stop button for pressure startup, and after that there is the preset pressure control. There is the volume setup buttons, and there is the preset flow buttons. After that you can see here the insuflator are working or not, green signal. If your insuflator cylinder is empty, then you will see the lower red color indicator. If your cylinder is full filled, then yeah, there is the green color indicator you will get here. And after that you can see, after opening this insuflator or any insuflator, you will get the same kind of inside boards. This is the front display board you can see here, and there is this ribbon cable which is controlling the 7 segment, and there is the control board. There are 2 control cards. One is the pressure control card, another is the display and the microcontroller and the alarm signal control card. There is the power supply here, and if you can check the power supply also, if input is coming or an output is going or not. You have to check the DC power supply at the output end, and if there is any problem you can replace the power supply, or you can repair the power supply by replacing some technical components. And after that you can see what inside this. There are actually some relays are available here, and these are the relays who control the pressure regularly. There are 2 simultaneously, like in the oxygen concentrator, they work simultaneously. And there is the one in the important thing. This is the regulator. This is the pressure regulator you can see here, and this is the main component of the insuflator. It control the pressure in the kilopascal. You can see the in the bar value, and kg per meter cube also. There is the different kinds of units available in different countries, and in I am telling about the bar value we set at different bar here. And this is the input of the CO2 cylinder. After connecting that, there is the knob. This is the rotating knob. After connecting this insuflator to the CO2 cylinder, you have to change this control knob. Sometimes this insuflator has one problem: the pressure is not coming out properly. It means there is some leakage in the leakage available in this insuflator inside. So I have to increase this knob in the anti-clockwise or clockwise wise according to that. After, how can you check the pressure is increased or no? You have to remove this connector, and by the volume of the flow of air coming outside from this nut, you can realize by your fingers, after rotating this knob, that air is increased or decreased, air volume is decreased or increased by rotating anti-clockwise first time, and after that second time in the reverse directions you can get the high flow or low flow. If you by increasing this flow to high, little bit high, you will get what? You will get the good output at the output end of this insuflator. Another things, your relays are working simultaneously or not. That is the another option you have to check. After that, if everything is okay, then you have to open this chamber and check the seal here. And there are also 2 pressure control knobs here. You have to tight, or you can rotate them in the anti-clockwise or clockwise direction, by which you will get the different kind of pressure range at the output. If your pressure range are if you set wrong pressure range, then your insuflator will give you alarms. Then always mark always before rotating anything, mark this minus sign, or mark this nut with a black permanent marker with the same line on that body and on that nut. After that, after rotating or after working of 5 or 10 minutes, you will, if you did anything wrong in this insuflator, then you have to option to reverse or reset the position of the knob to their actual position. So those are the safety precautions I told you. So thank you, and you have to like my channel, and you have to subscribe my channel, you have to share my channel, and be watch next video for more information.